In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again to click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals, and this way enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Last but not least, use this switcher next to Haptic Feedback to turn on or off haptic response to gestures and system controls. If you decided to enable this option, adjust intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!